Established in 1998 by the Government of National Territory of Delhi, Guru Gobind Singh Indraprasth University has received an overall rating of 3.9 out of 5 stars from students on Shiksha.com. The BTech program specifically has a rating of 3.7 out of 5 stars. Let's dive into the details of the BTech program, starting with placements, where the program holds a rating of 3.5 stars. Notable recruiters include TCS, Yamaha, Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Flipkart, McKinsey, and Infosys, offering roles such as software engineer, analyst, data analyst, web developer, associate system engineer, robotics engineer. The highest package reported according to the University School of Information, Communication and Technology was 41.2 lakh per annum, while the average package for the year 2023-24 academic session stands at 7.2 lakh per annum. When comparing average salary packages with nearby institutions like IIIT and Jamia Hamdard University, GGSIPU has room for improvement. Further, internships also offer valuable opportunities, with some students securing stipend of 70 to 80,000 rupees. Companies like Hike, Setpa, and Conning provide internship roles such as software engineer and software development engineer. Turning to academics, where the university offers BTech and integrated BTech MTech programs across 4 schools. The East Campus specializes in cutting-edge fields like AI and robotics. Excitingly, a new BTech in energy engineering will be introduced in 2024-25 academic session. To gain admission, students need a minimum of 55% in 10+2 and must take the CET or JEE Main exam. The JEE Main CSE cutoff shows that competition has eased in 2024 compared to the previous year. The total course fees is 7.85 lakhs, while the hostel fees is around 2.23 lakhs. Scholarships and financial assistance are available based on merit cum means, EWS category, and specific schemes like DLF and HANA scholarships. Shifting focus to the 3.8 rated infrastructure. The main campus in Dwarka spans 60.44 acres and is fully accessible, equipped with ramps, elevators, and braille buttons for people with disabilities. Since 1998, the university has expanded from 20 programs to 166, enrolling 90,000 students through 115 affiliated institutions. The eco-friendly East Delhi campus covers 18.75 acres and houses over 2,500 students. Ongoing projects include an auditorium and further expansion in Dwarka, along with a planned 22-acre campus in Narela. The Wi-Fi-enabled campus includes ICT-equipped seminar halls, a library, and modern labs. Students have access to 4 hostels, 2 for boys and 2 for girls. Sports facilities are comprehensive, featuring indoor and outdoor options, a swimming pool, and a gym. Moving on now to faculty and courses, where students have given them a rating of 3.7 stars. The faculty is noted to being helpful and knowledgeable, with many holding PhD degrees. Attendance is mandatory at 75% to sit for exams, with a pass percentage set at 40%. The university also has numerous industrial collaborations with companies like TCS, IBM, and Intel, providing ample exposure to students. Shifting our focus now to the campus life with a rating of 3.7 stars. It is vibrant, featuring 12 clubs under Srijan for dance, music, photography, and dramatics. The atmosphere is enriched by events throughout the year, culminating in the much anticipated annual cultural festival. Finally, GGSIPU is ranked 89th according to NIRF 2024 engineering category. For more details on Guru Gobind Singh Indraprasth University, Delhi, and to explore thousands of courses and college reviews, download the Shiksha app. We did love to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below, and do not forget to like and share this video.